Hey everyone, welcome to today's tutorial on creating your first DAG in Apache Airflow. In this video, I will walk you through creating a basic DAG and running your first workflow. So let's dive in. But before we begin, make sure you have Apache Airflow installed on your system. You can install it via a pip or Docker. In the description below, you will find a link to a video using which you can install Airflow using Docker. Now let's create our first DAG. So, after installing and running Airflow successfully, this is what you will see. So, in order to create your first DAG, you need a DAGs folder under Airflow folder. In this folder, we will make our first DAG file. Once we are done creating our DAGs folder, and within DAGs folder we have DAG file with extension .py, we can start writing our DAGs file. So first of all, we will import necessary modules from Airflow, like DAG, sum operator. In this video, we will be using W operator and date time. After that, we need our default arguments, in which you will be specifying the name of the owner, starting date, and number of retries. Then, we will make an object of DAG class, in which we will write its name, default arguments that we specified earlier, description, and schedule as daily. We will talk about schedule interval sometime later. So, once we are done creating our DAG object, we can then make tasks. Using the operator we imported above. In heavy operator, you will define task ID and which DAG it belongs to. So, similarly, there is another task, and then we can specify the flow of our task. So this is downstream. It means first this task will run, and when it ends, this task will run. I will save this. After creating and saving the DAG file, you will see your DAG file in Airflow. We can see that when we click our DAG file, something like this will show up, and you can see your flow here in the graph section. So that's where the DAG name top from. It's Directed Acyclic Graph. So if I run this DAG file, it will show you that all my tasks are done successfully. You can see that all of the tasks ran successfully. But it won't do anything, as they are just to be tasks for understanding how our flow works. So what we have learned so far is how to create DAG file in Airflow. You need DAGs folder in your Airflow directory, and within that folder, you need your DAG file with x.ui. What to write in your DAG file? How to create DAG object, how to define tasks, and how to define tasks flow. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. See you again next time. Bye.